Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I'll show you how to use CollisionPolygon2d in Godot game engine. So suppose if you have a complex sprite or a body and you want to give it some collision, in that case CollisionPolygon2d will be really helpful. So I'll just create one 2d scene. Okay, I'll just save it as game. You can name it whatever you feel like. Okay, I'll just save it. Then I'll create a new scene. Inside that I'll just create a static body 2d. I guess that would be fine in my case. Now this requires a sprite 2d, so I have three different sprites, so two different sprites here you can see. Now what I'll do is I'll just take a node 2d. Okay, and inside that I will take these two sprites, sorry, three sprites actually I will take. So I'll just duplicate this. Okay, and here also I will add a CollisionPolygon2d. We'll look at it later on. Okay, so now this is static body 2d is happy. So I'll just go to sprite 2d, first sprite 2d. I'll just do quick load and I'll select this particular. Then I'll just go to sprite 2d, second sprite 2d. I'll again use quick load. I'll again select the first one, but I'll just rotate it. So I guess I think it is an offset, yeah, flip edge. So I have just flipped the edge side. Okay, and in sprite last sprite again I'll just do quick load, and here I'll just do this. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll take this sprite, I'll take the move icon and I'll just move it like this. Then I'll take the second sprite and again I'll just move it like this. So this is done. Now I want to apply a collision polygon, right? So just click over here, make sure this particular icon is clicked, and then we need to create points. So I'll just click over here. Think so. So I think, do I need to click? Yeah, I need to click over here. Sorry, yeah, this one I guess, not this one. I'll just have to click. Yeah, so I had clicked on this, so I have to click on this. I think create points, I have to click on create points. Let's see. Yeah, this is working. So the problem was I had clicked on this particular icon, but we need to click on this and then we have to click on this. Okay, then I can just draw the shape, like approximate shape of our collision. So something like this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, so once it is completed, like the last point is joined to the first point, it automatically is it is complete. And you can move these points as well, so I can just drag and drop these points if they are not proper. So it's up to you how you want to do it. So yeah, that's how you can use collision. So I'll just save it as well just to show it to you. I'll just go to our game, I'll just import our static body 2d and I'll just move it someplace over here. Okay, and then you can play, select current scene, and here you can see this is our static body. I know no difference in the output, but you'll have to take some kind of a I think a rigid body 2d or a player 2d, something kind of a node, and make it fall on the static body 2d to make it work. But hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.